Feed water inlet and feed water outlet are feed water gates, and the partition plate is installed to divide the inlet and outlet. The tube is a U-type tube, which the feed water flows within the tube and exchanges heat by flowing the steam at the outside of the tube through the steam inlet. The drain cooling zone and condensing zone are low-pressure feed water heater, and the drain cooling zone is located at the feed water inlet, and the condensing zone has the largest heating area among other heating areas of the feed water heater.